Hello, hello, hello. Just got out of the shower, so got my hair up, but I did put on some earrings for y'all. Give me a little bit of fanciness. I'm scared of this product. I got this 88 Acres pumpkin seed butter. It is nut-free, vegan, and gluten-free. It is a USDA organic product with a serving size of 2 tablespoons equaling 190 calories. Yeah, here it is right here. I'm so scared of this. I've had this in the cupboard now for about a month, and I'm scared. I'm scared of it. I think pumpkin's an okay flavor and stuff, and I don't know if these are gonna taste like pumpkin, but it is pumpkin seed, so it may have a bit of a quality. Okay, I can't smell anything yet. It is sealed, and it is as a lot of natural seed butters go, it did separate, so I'll have to stir it up. Got a trusty little fork here to do that. I'm just nervous. I really hope my reviews are entertaining or informative in some way. Even if they're not very informative, if they're entertaining, I call that a win. I suspect that this is going to be entertaining. For y'all, not for me. Okay, let me show you what we got going on here. Let me see if I can point you down so you can just see what I'm seeing. Pretty terrifying. Alright, let's oh, it's a thick one. I don't know, maybe this was not a great idea to start first thing in the morning. Oh, she's thick. I'm getting nauseous. There's no smell or anything, it's just the appearance is making me feel yucky. Holy moly. Oh, is this even going to be able to blend? I fear that this isn't going to be able to... Wait a minute. It's loosening up some. Oh my god, I'm so scared of this. Oh my goodness. If you've ever tried this product or anything similar to it, let me know, because then I'll know that you survived. You live to tell the tale. Oh my god. I mean, honestly, like, to get this to be fully blended again, I think would take a darn near miracle, really, because... Alright. Okay, I can kind of smell a little bit of a pumpkin seed smell. Oh my. Alright, alright. We're just gonna be brave. Or stupid. Maybe it's a stupid bravery that I'm working with here. I've got just a little bit on the fork. Alright, here we go. It's not horrible like I thought. I was scared. It's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. Obviously, it's very oil forward right now because it still needs to be blended a lot more. Maybe an emulsion blender would be what would bring this around. But the taste of the pumpkin seed butter isn't bad. It has a little bit of that nutty quality, and you can definitely taste the pumpkin seed. If you like pumpkin seeds, you actually would like this. I know. I talked a lot of smack beforehand, but this might actually be something you can enjoy. I'm suspecting that this would be really tasty, like as a butter or nut butter slash jelly sandwich situation. That could be really good. Toast, I think this would work well. Maybe using this for like a cookie could be good, because that pumpkin seed has a nice flavor that's not overly nutty. It's semi-sweet. Yeah, shockingly enough, I would give this probably a 3 out of 5. But you definitely have to get this oil situation under control. So I'll see if I can find this product online. I probably won't eat any more of this just because this has been quite an experience already, and I think I'm good. But as far as flavor, I would definitely say it's a 3 out of 5 star. I wouldn't get it again, but if you like pumpkin seeds a lot, then I would recommend this. If you're not a fan of pumpkin seeds, I would say stick away from this, because this is not for you. But yeah, 88 acres, huh? Interesting. Oh, like I said, I'll look and see if I can find a link below. If you have not tried this before, and I'm guessing most people that watch this video have not tried this, are you brave enough to try something like this? If this were presented to you, already mixed, not separated in a situation like I'm dealing with, but if this was presented to you in a proper format, would you try it? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!